Okay, Sana, what a sad news. It's going to be a long day for South Africa, guys. We really need Asha Gwanda as a candidate. Government must quickly provide us with Asha Gwanda. For those who don't know what's going on, Bafana Bafana, they are coming back home. Their welcome journey has came to an end. Guys, what a sad news. So, guys, the Minister of Sports and Culture, Gaden McKenzie, took to his Twitter account, now known as X. So this is what he has to say. Dear Bafana Bafana, we lost with honor, gents. Thank you, Bafana Bafana, for reminding us that we are indeed still a great country with huge potential. I want to thank you for the joy of the past few weeks. We saw again what is possible. So, Gaden Matenzi took to his X account, formerly known as the Twitter, to say, Bafana Bafana, Danko, guys, you have done what you could have done. There was nothing you could have done. They lost against Canada, guys. It is going to be a long day for South Africa, as you all know. Somebody went on to say the boys wanted to be home in time for the 30th of June. Much and much, guys, as you all know that what is happening in South Africa, and people are saying, we would say, so a few Nigerians, they came out here on social media to say, Bafana Bafana, they are embarrassing us. They need to come back to campaign for Abahamba Yeso. Honestly speaking, it's going to be a long day for South Africa, so you need to prepare yourself. Guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Danko.